Are you hands-on and able to follow drawings and plans? Do you enjoy precision work and like the idea of working with pipes, pumps, and hoses? Are you comfortable being on ladders and scaffolds and occasionally working in tight spots? If so, then you could make a splash as a sprinkler systems installer. Sprinkler systems installers build, install, test, inspect, and repair fire extinguishing systems. They work in office buildings, retail shops, hotels, schools, industrial locations, hospitals, and residences. To help us get into the flow of this career, we talked to a sprinkler systems installer working here in Alberta.
Hello, my name is Eric and I am a sprinkler systems installer. Sprinkler systems installers fabricate, install, inspect, test, maintain, and repair sprinkler systems in commercial, industrial, and residential settings. We might work in office buildings, hospitals, warehouses, basically any building that has a fire protection system. A typical day for me is I will be given a job, I go to our shop, I pick up any required material I need, then I head to the job site. Once I'm on the job site, I could be installing a new sprinkler system to the building, or I could be doing inspection, testing, and maintenance of the existing sprinkler system. What attracted me to this trade was my brother was working in it and told me it was a fairly interesting job. So I looked into it and I figured this would be a right fit for me. I also like the fact that our trade, it's sort of the first line of defense when there's a fire in a building. The different types of systems we might work with are wet pipe sprinkler systems, dry pipe sprinkler systems, CO2 and chemical extinguishing systems, and fire pump systems. We use various methods to connect pipe and piping sections together. We test systems for leaks using air and water pressure, and we test, maintain, and repair piping systems and controls. Some skills you need for this career is you need to be organized, you need to be able to plan your day. On the inspection side of things, you need to be a people person because you are in various buildings every other day and you're basically the face of your company. The physical requirements for this job are you need to be able to lift heavy pipe, you need to be able to work off ladders, you need to be okay with heights because a lot of the time we're working at very high elevations off of mobile lift equipment. My work environment on the new construction side of things is very busy. There is lots of other trades on sites. And then on the other end, in the inspection side of things, it's more relaxed. In this trade, there are various work schedules you can come across. Usually on the service and inspection sides, you're doing like 8-hour days, 5 days a week. On the road construction side, you can find yourself working out at camps on a shift of 14 days on and 7 days off. So you do need to be prepared to work out of town in this trade. To work in Alberta as a sprinkler systems installer, you need to either be a registered apprentice, a certified Alberta journey person, or someone who has a recognized related trade certificate. The apprenticeship consists of in-class learning and on-the-job site training. At the end of your apprenticeship, you write a final exam and the interprovincial exam to become a Red Seal journey person. In Alberta, high school students can earn credits towards their apprenticeship through the registered apprenticeship program. Some opportunities for growth is you could move into supervisory positions and you could start your own business. If someone was interested in getting into this trade, I would tell them it is a great job if you're highly motivated, can handle physical labor, and are okay with working at heights. What we do matters. We are the first line of defense in fires.
A successful sprinkler systems installer needs strength and stamina, along with good attention to detail. Being able to coordinate with other trades is a must. Sprinkle in the ability to work with very little supervision, and you've got what it takes for this career. What are you waiting for? Find out more about this occupation, including training requirements and salary ranges, in the occupational profile on the ALICE website. While you're there, check out related occupations, including plumber, steam fitter, pipe fitter, and refrigeration and air conditioning mechanic. Explore the possibilities. Go to alice.alberta.ca.